Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm at Mount Victoria for Mount Victoria part number 2. As I said in the last 2 Blue Mountains vlogs, I did not bring any system cards with me today for the Blue Mountains because this trip wasn't necessarily planned. So whoever requested Mount Victoria part number 2, I'll write your name down for part number 3. The set we have departing platform 2, which is going into the yard, is VSET V40. I'll just give you guys a little bit of a pan of Mount Victoria Station, and then I'll give you a little bit of a look around at some things. Now here's something interesting. It says Mount Victoria on the light post here. Just in case you guys are curious, we are currently 126.683 kilometers away from Central Platform number 1's buffer. Sorry if the camera's a bit shaky, guys. It's a bit hard to keep it still while walking. A little footbridge up there. There's the station sign. And that. Nice looking seat. Another station sign. Some information pamphlets. Now these are old. And here's the car markers for a 4-car VSET or a 2-car Endeavour. Now quite obviously the V is for VSET and E is for Endeavour. And if you guys are wondering what that racket is, it's just some works going on over here. And there's the Mount Victoria signal box. Nice arch windows. We've got a VSET returning from Lithgow, arriving into platform 1, Central Sydney Terminal service. The set is V13. V40's just stopped up the track there. It should be the next train to Sydney, well after this one of course. We've got V13 now departing platform 1, Central Sydney Terminal service. This train will stop all stations to Emu Plains, followed by Penrith, Blacktown and onto Central. Got some 82 classes, 4 locos in this consist. walking to the Katoomba and Sydney end of platform number 1 to film the next Lithgow service arriving to platform number 2. Now for you LL freakout, there is a signal just up here. The signal is 78.6. I'll zoom into that for you just a sec after I get to the end here. Wallow board. And a sign that did say begin ATP area. ATP is auto train protection. And there's a signal for you, LL freakout. Do you want me to call you LL freakout or just freakout? Because I noticed that your YouTube name has changed to just freakout. So if you're watching this, just let me know in the comment section, please, mate. Thank you. Lithgow service arriving into platform number 2. V45 is the set. Caught that just in time. The rear 2 cars are DK series cars, DKT 9189 and DKM 8143. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all lots for watching. Goodbye for now.